Hey there, good afternoon to all of you. Although it's about 9:40 right now. So if you are watching this video, it means you also facing the same problem which I am suffering from this, which is fluency of English. Am I right? If you are watching this video, it means you want to be fluent in English. So first of all, I would like to tell you that I am also a beginner and I am not a motivator and I am also not a good speaker also. But still I started recording, as you can see that. But for the last few days I just working on my own self, and I am also working on my English speaking skill. Although I am not that much good till now, but I think that I should share some tips with all of you. Okay, so first of all, I want to say all of you that if you if you are courageous, if you think that yes you can do it, and I think you will definitely can do it. And how you can overcome from the fear of mistake, because why we can't speak English, what is the main reason behind it. Okay, so first of all, I want to say something that suppose most of people have the I notice that they easily understand, they are watching podcast, English movie, English series, all these things, and when someone is speaking, they easily understand all these things, what actually are they are listening. Okay, so it means you are a good listener. But the main problem is arrived when we start to speak. It's your turn to speak something, that time we start hesitate, and that time our mouth become freeze and freeze it. Okay, so mouth become freeze it and our tongue become still. Okay, so let me tell you what is the reason behind that we can't express our feeling through English. Before that, we have to understand that our mind and our ear is not comfortable with new things, okay, or new voice. Okay, let me tell you that you always all the days speaking lots of word, lots of sentence in your mother tongue, and your heart, your soul, your mind, everything is comfortable with your own mother tongue. But whenever you start speaking in English, or whenever you start something new, that time your mind started something hesitation. Am I right? You also face this right now. So so for that I will share with some tips which is follows for I am follows for the last few days, and you can see that after just in 2 weeks to follow this trick, I have reached that much of growth. Okay, so before giving all this means all these trips, you have to understand why you are still not fluent in English. First of all, you will be courageous, and one more thing, you have to believe in yourself. If you believe that yes I can be fluent, I can do all these thing. Okay, so you can definitely can do it. Okay, so no more delay, let's go to the tricks. As you are following the first tricks, which is listening, you are listening lots of podcasts, short stories, maybe someone speakings or debates, all the things which is listening. You just trying to understand new word and all this thing. Okay, just listening. So first, my first trick is listening. You would be a good listener. And the second one is, and second and third, you should apply this regularly, because this is the key for the fluency in English. The second one is, you have to speak. The meaning of the word is, you are enough good listener, and till you are watching this video and you understand my all the words, all my sentence, it means you are quite good in listening. And your problem that whenever you start you recording something, and whenever you start speaking, you become freezed. It feel that someone erase your brain and erase your word stock in memory. Am I right? Okay, so for that, you will be what you just read aloud. Okay, you have to speak a lot. Understand? So how you can start it? Let me give you some new tricks. I know about ChatGPT. You also know about ChatGPT. It's a common thing. So use ChatGPT as a friend, as a guide. How? Okay, I will share with you. After finishing this video, you just open your ChatGPT, then write or speak as you wish. You just write that, hey ChatGPT, I need your help. I am working on my English speaking skill, and please make a longer conversation in which I can practice myself and I can practice aloud speaking. Okay, so after that, you notice that ChatGPT will give you a long conversation. And what after that, what you can do? After that, you just see, watch, and you just started aloud reading. And one more thing you should be remember, in this conversation you should loud, but with you should follow the expression, and you should be careful about punctuation mark, which is comma and full stop, all these things. Okay, so I have told you two tricks, which is listening, and second was you have to speak a lot, and you can take the help of ChatGPT, and how to use it, all these things I have already told you. And the third one, which is the one of the most important, and all of us ignore the third one. And third one is what? The third one is practice and consistency. Okay, so the as I told you that whenever we feel that too much courageous, too much means we just think that yes, I can do it, too much encourage ourselves that yes, I can do it, but after some time or after a few days we just stop all this thing, we just starting demotivating, we just losing our means hoping, or we just lose all the interest in fluency to learning new things. Am I right? If you do these things, you will never ever learn, and you can reach in that place which you are dreaming right now. Okay, so as I told you, you have to follow these three things, which is first one was, as I told you, that you should be a good listener, and second one, you should be practice a lot of speaking. You can take help of ChatGPT, and the third one is consistency and patience. Okay, so this is, I think this is enough for fluency in a language. Okay, also I was a good listener, but I am not a good speaker, and for the last few days, it approx 2 week, in the 2 week I am just using ChatGPT and loud speaking, as you told that a loud speaking, which is more effective, and you should be consistent. Okay, and listen, you just practice 1.5 hour or 1 and 2 hour in every day. Okay, you should be balance it. Okay, it not like that one day you just speaking a lot, like 5 hours, 6 hour, 7 hour, and then rest of the day you stop it, and again you start 5 hour, 3 hour. It will not work. If you start it with regular discipline, then it become fruitful. Okay, so this is all about today. Again, I just tell you that I also hesitate, I am also not that much fluent till today, but I think I should guide all these people who are in this field and trying to something new. And you know that sorry, when you will become fluent, you just record a video in a single shot. Like me, I have recorded a 10-minute video right now, and the first I have just clip of 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and 30 seconds, and I just all this arrange one by one, then I upload this. But when you find that when you gain that much of consistency, when we gain that much of means strength or confident, so that time you will be able to shoot a long video. Okay, so this is all about today. This is not a blog. Okay, and this is not a what can I, it's just a suggestion video, and you can take as a it is as a like guidance. Okay, so for today it's enough for me and for you, I think. And keep smiling, keep shining, keep growing, keep courageous, and tata, bye bye. Let's meet in the next video. For today it's enough.